Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and welcome everybody to Warsak Engineering and Survey. Today I am going to solve a problem about isosceles trapezium having top length, bottom length and legs value available, and we have asked to find the height of this trapezium. Before starting, please subscribe my channel Warsak Engineering and Survey. Let's start. If we draw height here and here, this trapezium shape becomes like this. This portion become rectangle, and also two similar triangle. These two triangles are similar. This distance is equal to this distance from this point to this point. This distance is equal to this distance. First of all, we will get this distance from this point to this point. This distance similar to this distance. For this we have formula 3.109 means bottom of this trapezium minus top of this trapezium is equal to 0.829 divided by 2. We have divided it by 2 to get this portion and this portion. 0.4145. This is the distance from this point to this point, and similarly from this point to this point. Now we have got a triangle like this: height, hypotenuse and base. Hypotenuse 1.737, height h, and base 0.414. This is right angle triangle. Now we have asked to find the height. This height is similar to this height. We know that how to find one side of a triangle if we have given two sides. We will use Pythagoras theorem for this purpose. We know that Pythagoras theorem is equal to hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Here we have hypotenuse 1.73 square is equal to base square 0.414 plus perpendicular square h square. Now here we will solve this equation for h. We will convert this 0.4145 to the left side of this equation. Here the sign of 0.4145 is plus. When we shift to the other side, its sign become minus. When we solve it, 1.737 square minus 0.4145 square, we will get h square like this: 1.737 square minus 0.4145 square. We will get 2.84 of h square, but we have to find h, not h square. We will take square root on both sides. When we take square root on both sides, we will get 1.68 like this: square root of 2.845. We have got the answer 1.686 unit, and h square become to h after square root. I hope you have understand it. If you have any question or any suggestion, please comment. Please subscribe my channel Warsak Engineering and Survey. Thanks for watching.